Hey guys, keeping your Reolink devices updated is the key for better performance and security. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to update firmware on your Reolink cameras or the NVR system safely. So, start by opening the Reolink application or client and selecting your device. Go to the device info or firmware version section to see which version you are currently using. You will need this to confirm if an update is available. Now, go to Reolink's official website and open the Download Center or Support page and search your camera or NVR model to find the latest version firmware files and release notes specific to your device. Now, if an update will be available, download the correct firmware for your model. Make sure that you don't install firmware meant for different device types because it could cause system errors or camera failures. Now, for NVRs, use a USB drive to load the firmware file. For standalone cameras, you can update directly via the app or Reolink client on your PC and keep the device powered and connected throughout the process. Now, in the Reolink application or client, go to the System or Maintenance section and tap Firmware Upgrade. Select the firmware file you downloaded and start the upgrade. For NVRs, plug in the USB and follow the on-screen steps. The update process usually takes a few minutes. Do not power off or disconnect the camera or NVR during this time. Once done, the device will automatically reboot with the new firmware installed. And after rebooting, go back to the device info page and confirm that the new firmware version is showing. You can now enjoy the latest features, stability, improvements, and security patches. Now, you can also navigate to support.reolink.com and search for updating firmware. You will be taken to this page where you can see the step-by-step guide. As you can see, you'll have to just navigate to Reolink Download Center. You can also click on this link and it will take you to this page where you can easily download it. Now, step 2 will be launching the Reolink client where you'll have to choose maintenance by clicking on settings, choosing the firmware update option, and here you'll have to choose browse for the firmware update and you'll be easily able to download the latest update. So that's a simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.